In this video, I am going to show you how to connect hosting to GoDaddy domain. So in order to do that, you will need a Hostinger account with a plan because of course to connect a domain, you will need a website. So in order to get a website, at least you will need a single plan, as you can see right here. And you will need also a GoDaddy domain. If you have none of those, you will not be able to connect that. So once you have them both ready, you'll need to go to your websites. As an example, in this left panel, go and click on websites and click on the specific website that you want to add the domain or connect the domain daddy to it. As you can see right here, once you find your website, you will find connect a domain like that. Just go and click on that. Once you click on it, they will give you some Hostinger will give you some name servers during the setup. Normally it will be like this. So you can either click on connect to Hostinger at the top right, or you can just go and to your GoDaddy and DNS settings and basically change your name servers. So on the name servers, you'll need to change them into the Hostinger name servers. Normally, do not write this value as it is. Instead of this value, you'll have to write ns1.dns-parking.com, then ns2.dns-parking.com. So those are the real name servers that you'll have to enter. And once you're done with that, so once you change the DNS servers, you'll have to wait up to 24 hours. Sometimes it may take even up to 3 days, so 72 hours for DNS propagation. If you want, you can find, I guess, some ways to make this faster if you don't want to wait, but normally it will take from 1 day to 3 days. And of course, also Hostinger has this AI tool at the top right where you can click on Ask AI and it will help you even do that if you got confused along the way. So once you change your DNS servers and you click on connect accounts, you'll have to wait your 1 day to 3 days and the GoDaddy domain should be connected to your Hostinger hosting. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.